So today I want to show you guys a very quick and easy tutorial on how you can apply your false lashes without using traditional lash glue. So the product I'm going to be showing you today again is from Lavender Boutique. This is the Cloud Magic Liners. These are liners and lash adhesives. Now these are the only lash adhesive I currently have, but there are definitely other ones you can use. I believe Kiss has a lash glue adhesive. So with the Lavender Boutique Cloud Magic Liners themselves, there are 5 colors, I believe. There's a blue, purple, clear, black, and pink. So I'm gonna be using black today because that's just what I wanna do. So grab your mirror, grab your lash liner adhesive, and literally all you do, give it a nice shake. It's a felt tip, so it's nice. Give it a nice shake, and I can't talk and do this, so like, just watch. So just go from the inner corner to the outer corner, or however you do your liner, and you'll be set. So let's go. Okay, so I decided to do a nice little winged liner. My wing and liner is very small because I have hooded eyes and I can't have thick liner. But all you're gonna do is literally apply it just like that. You don't have to wait. Grab your lashes, grab your mirror, and just literally pop them on. As soon as you apply them, they already stick to the liner adhesive, and then you can just adjust them how you need. Take them, put them where you want them. Like that, give it a nice little pinch, and there, you're done. Lashes on. Isn't that crazy? So again, I'm just going to show you really quick on the other eye because it's literally that fast and that easy. So you just get it, apply your liner. Okay, so my camera decided to stop filming while I was doing my liner on that eye, of course, because that's my life. So the liner's on there, it's a bit thicker. Oh wow, not the best at it. How many times can I move my mirror around? But anyway, throw your liner on, throw your lashes on. They literally stick immediately, and then drag them over where you want them. Put them into place. Adjust them. And then pinch them together. And there, it's literally that simple. So if you have some sort of sensitivity to typical lash glue, or you just don't like using it, or whatever your reason is, and you wanna try something different, try to look for a lash liner adhesive. Again, I personally love the Lavender Boutique Cloud Magic Liners, so definitely check them out. Check out lash liner adhesives. It definitely is so much easier on your eyes. Even me, who doesn't really have a sensitivity necessarily, the other ones do make my eyes water a little bit, but not to where like I can't use lash glue. I just don't love lash glue, but yeah, this has been absolutely an amazing product for me to discover. It's so fast to literally just throw your liner on and just boom. And if you don't like doing typical black liner, again, you can find some that are clear, put it on, throw your lash on, and it's done. Like there's no downtime, there's no waiting, no tackiness that you're waiting for, nothing. So try it out, let me know what you guys think, but that's all I have for you guys for today's little quick lash tutorial. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.